There's a protest going on right now in downtown.
This was all about Black Lives Matter, and this was all about solidarity for what's going on with the rest of the country. All those people are being handcuffed, zip-tied.
I was handcuffed at 6 p.m. and I was in the handcuffs all the way until about like 11 p.m., 11:30 p.m.
Some people at UCLA are protesting that the university is allowing the LAPD to use Jackie Robinson Stadium to process protesters who've been arrested for violating curfew.
We were brought here to Lot 29. We were held for 8 hours. We had no medical treatment. One person was having an asthma attack. We had no water, no use of the bathrooms.
It was like a huge slap in the face that like UCLA would really be complicit in actually housing their own alumni in a field jail.
Aided and abetted by UCLA, LAPD turned this stadium and these parking lots into a space of detention. Prisoners, not champions, are made at Jackie Robinson Stadium.
What happened on June 1st was not an accident. It was not a mistake. It was part of a tradition to make us less free.
We're about to build a vast serial mosaic where the endless repetition of the handcuffs motif denounces state aggression and exploitation.
Divest, invest! Divest, invest! Divest, invest!
Divest, invest!
Divest, invest!
Divest,